This is a song of victory, a song of deliverance, a song through which angels will set somebody loose from every shackles of the EME. As you listen to this song, may the angels of heaven surround you wherever you are now and do what man cannot do for you, in the name of Jesus. Something happened in the book of Exodus chapter 14. Then the Egyptians, all of Pharaoh's army, chariots, they collaborated and chased the Israelites towards the wilderness. And when the Egyptians were approaching towards the location where the Israelites were in the desert, as they were approaching, the people of Israel looked up and saw a great sea in front of them, and they cried unto the Lord. And they said, Moses, why did you bring us out here to die in the wilderness? Weren't there enough graves for us in Egypt? What have you done to us? Why did you make us leave Egypt? Didn't we tell you this would happen while we were in Egypt? But I remember what Moses told them. He said to the people of God, don't be afraid. Just stand still and watch the rescue of the Lord today. The Egyptians you see today, you shall see no more. And when Moses turned to the Lord to cry unto him, the Lord asked Moses, why are you crying unto me? Tell the people to go forward. Let them keep moving forward. As you move forward, you will see a glory, the glory of the Almighty displayed in action. When the glory of the Lord displayed through them, all Egypt will see my glory, and they will know that I am the Lord. As he was talking, the angel of God, who had been leading the people of Israel, moved for the back side to protect them and to give them light, so that the Egyptians will not approach them. Then Moses raised his hand over the sea, and the Lord opened a path through the waters with a great east wind. So the people of Israel walked through the sea on dry ground. Then the Egyptians, all of Pharaoh's horses, chariots, chased them into the middle of the sea. But just before dawn, the Lord looked down on the Egyptians' army from a pillar of fire and began to fight against them, making their chariot difficult to drive. They began to cry, let's get out of this place. But before they realized it was too late. Every enemy of your soul, every enemy of your destiny, chasing you, saying that you will not make it in life, I bring a prophetic word to you now. The angels of God that fought for the Israelites are coming your way to fight for you. And that angel will bring victory to you. The angel will bring victory to that your situation and give you victory, so that you can sing a glorious song unto the Lord, so that you can bless the name of God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the one that made his people to cross on dry land while at the center of the sea. That's why we bring this song. Because as the people of Israel crossed the Red Sea, they began to sing praises unto the Lord. They began to worship God, to give him all the praise. ENEME, DIMMA, what you have done is so good. What you have done is so good. That will be somebody's song as the Lord delivers you from that situation, as the Lord gives you victory. That situation you are passing through, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is visiting somebody now as you hear this song. ENEME, DIMMA, only Nalu, only Mama, only Nalu, only Yera, no Mama, ENEME, only Mama, Arika Yera, only The Bible said, whatsoever you say, that is what you should say. With your mouth, I want you to confess victory. With your mouth, I want you to confess victory. Don't confess defeat wherever you are now. Whatsoever you say.